I don't know why I'm whispering. I always do this at the beginning of videos. I'm just like, it's working, right? We're happy. Welcome to the High River District Healthcare Foundation social media. My name is Jody, and I've got the dynamic duo on the socials today, and I'm so excited they're here. Welcoming Wendy and Kathy from the foundation. Ladies, how are you?
Pretty great.
Really great. Thank you.
Have you rested up and feel caught up from the dinner and auction? That was such an incredible evening.
Well, I'm going to say we're starting to rest, but we're still counting all the numbers. So all the donations and all the money coming through. Kathy's going to have a really big announcement coming up in the next few days. So yeah, it's still pretty exciting around here.
Yeah. It's all the things that happen in the background that we forget about, I think, when we're a part of a really fun night. We're like, okay, it's over. Now what? But there's, all the counting. Well, we can't wait to find out what that is. But in the meantime, on our social media over the last few weeks, we've been talking about something called Split the Pot Lottery. And I thought it would be great to connect with the two of you to share a little bit more about what is this? Because we recently had a 50-50 raffle, which is very different from what this piece is, but it's still an opportunity to win some money. And right before the holidays, that sounds pretty fantastic. So I don't know where you want to start. Maybe we start with what is it and how did it come to be?
Yeah, absolutely, Jody. We are thrilled to be a partner with the Split the Pot Lottery. It's a fun and innovative way for Albertans to win big, win more, but at the same time supporting local healthcare throughout the province. It's a provincial-wide initiative. It brought together 30 hospitals and healthcare foundations, and we are all part of this incredible lottery that will, again, give back to those communities and that are participating and allow Albertans the chance to win, which we know they love.
Yeah, who doesn't like to win money? Like it's a win-win-win situation. So what I think is neat is that it's bringing together 30 different foundations. So not only is this a beautiful way to give people across the province a chance to win money, but a great way to collaborate as foundations to kind of share the message of all of the things that foundations are doing across the province, because I'm not sure we're really aware of what that looks like outside of our own bubbles sometimes.
Yeah, that's right. We don't often get the chance as foundations. We meet once a year, there's a conference and we can sort of get to know our peers, but fundraising together is really a unique opportunity. We're all doing the same kind of work all year long, trying to raise money to enhance healthcare across the province. So this is pretty neat for us to work with those partners and I guess take advantage of this great pot of money, the 50 one way, 50 the other way, and we're all going to get to share in it. And I think some of the stories are going to be really nice that come out of those 30 locations.
I think that's cool. So what kind of money are we talking about here, ladies?
So right now, today, the jackpot is sitting at over $460,000. The last early bird draw is coming up to tomorrow night. The deadline to buy tickets is tomorrow night. The draw will be on Friday. The grand prize draw is coming up on November 15th. And what you'll see is that 50% will be split between 13 winners. So it's sharing the opportunity for people to win money. I think today, if we were due to the draw, the grand prize winner would take over $135,000. So we're talking some pretty good money.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like that it's split so that it's not a genuine 50 and 50, that there are some smaller prizes that are really going to change somebody's life. Like the holidays are going to be really wonderful for those 13 people.
Well, and we know from seeing the posts with Split the Pot and the ones that we've shared is there's been some winners already that have won like a couple $1,000s here and a couple $1,000 over there. And that's been happening all over. Any chance we've had any local winners yet?
Yeah, we are really excited. We were just notified that we had an early bird winner here from High River. So we look forward to announcing that winner very shortly. So we're excited to share in that pot and excited to share with her as well.
Kathy and Rhonda and I can't play.
No.
You know, it's not us, Jody.
No. Okay. Well, 13,000 others to choose from. Okay. Well, I look forward to finding out. It's fun when it's a person that wins within your community. And I'm like, my fingers are so crossed for someone from our community to win the larger pot too. I think it would be
right?
really, really cool. And we'll talk in a moment about how we can get involved. But let's paint a picture for a moment that a win happens for us in High River. What does that mean for us? What would we do with it?
Well, there's lots of things on our shopping list, it feels like, over here at the hospital in High River. We're working on, as you know, Jody, an operating room project. We're raising $500,000 to upgrade equipment in our surgical suites. So it's things like that where this is sort of bonus revenue for us. So if we can take some of those proceeds, maybe top up our OR purchases. There are a couple of things maybe on the wish list that they didn't think we'd be able to get in the 500,000. So we might be able to add another piece of equipment. And we'll also look at sort of those things that are required by the teams in different departments all year long. So you know about our Greatest Needs Fund. They can apply for funding throughout the year. And so sometimes things pop up where they need access to funds right away to replace something. And this is going to give us a little bit of wiggle room, which is amazing.
Yeah, which would be so cool. So we talked about the fact that the big grand prize is coming up November 15th. So that means there's still chance for us to get in on the pot if we haven't yet. And Kathy, how do we do that?
Yeah, it's really simple. Visit splittthepotlottery.ca, or the link is also available on our website at highriverhealthfoundation.ca. What's really cool about this also is that by going there, purchasing your ticket, you can direct your ticket purchase to a specific location. So for example, locally here, you can select the High River Hospital, the Nanton Community Health Center, or the Silver Willow Lodge in Nanton, or the foundation. So you can get that specific with where you want to support. Or if you choose not to, then it gets shared amongst those 30 participating partners. So a really great way to support local healthcare.
Nice. Okay. I love it. Anything else we need to know about Split the Pot?
Just remember midnight tomorrow for the last early bird prizes.
And midnight on the 14th?
And midnight on the 14th for the grand prize. And if you win an early bird, your name still goes back into the draw. So if you won something,
double win,
you can double dip.
Ooh, double dip in the lottery is the best part. Ooh. Okay. I love that, ladies. Well, thank you so much for taking a couple minutes to share some details on that and let us know sort of the history and where it's come. And is this the first time this has ever been done before?
First time ever. So we are really thrilled to be a part of it and excited with the results. I think everything has kind of gone above and beyond what the organizer, what us as the people involved from the beginning expected. So we're really thrilled with the outcome so far.
All right. Well, looking forward to it. Everyone, go grab your Split the Pot lottery tickets, and just maybe you will be a big winner. So you have 2 deadlines to think of. Early bird tomorrow at midnight. You have to get your tickets by midnight, November 14th, to get any money at all or any chance at it. And it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Ladies, thank you. And good luck to our local people. Woo!
Yes.